As I already studied the nomenclature of alkanes, straight chain, and as well as branched chain. Now let us see, we'll study the nomenclature of alkenes. So all of you keep reading nomenclature of alkenes or naming of IUPAC of alkenes. Unsaturated IUPAC nomenclature of unsaturated hydrocarbons. So unsaturated means what will come? Double bond and as well as what will come? All of you. Double bond and as well as triple bond will come. So now first of all you tell me alkenes will start from where? Meth or eth. That is what I want. Everybody? Please. Alkenes and alkynes will never start from the C equals to 1. They will start from C equals to 2. So what is the reason behind? Anyone? Nomenclature of alkenes and alkynes will never start from 1. It will start from 2. Can anybody? What is the reason?
Sir, one carbon cannot do single bond, double bond.
Double bond. So alkenes and alkynes means minimum one double bond must be there between two carbons, and same way minimum one triple bond must be there between two carbons. So here, if I start with the one carbon itself cannot be formed the two bonds. Sorry, double bond as well as triple bond. So that is why nomenclature of alkenes. So always let it be, basically it will start from where? Eth. Correct or not? Means C is equals to how much, guys? N is equals to 2. So from there only alkenes will start. Sorry, I have written alkanes. It is alkenes. So now what is the first compound of alkenes? Anyone? Is
Ethene.
ethene. Is it yes or no? So now this ethene will come like, so ethane, if I'll remove ene and if I'll add ene, then I will get what? Ethene will come. So this is how the nomenclature also will start now. So let us discuss the smallest possible hydrocarbon of alkenes is C2H4. So this is the first one which we used to call. What is the name of this one? Everybody, we already know. What is that? Ethene. Is it yes or no? So let us draw the structure of this one. So how the structure will come? Anybody? Structural formula. C double bond C. So now two bonds over. So now remaining how many bonds is there? All of you. Yes, please. Each carbon having how many bonds? That is what I am asking. Unless you draw every time, you cannot.
2 bonds.
2 bonds is there. So one carbon, 2 hydrogens. Another carbon also, 2 hydrogens. So what is the condensed formula? Condensed formula.
CH2 double bond CH2.
You can write like this. H2C double bond CH2. Or you can say CH2 double bond CH2. So this is what the condensed formula of this one. So now here if we'll say here, so ene is replaced with the ene. So the IUPAC name of this one, IUPAC name is ethene. Eth plus ene, ethene. And what is the common name? Common name, if you have noticed, so this common names is very important, guys. Ethylene is the common name of ethene. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please. So that is what you have to remember it. So IUPAC name, common name of first one, nomenclature of alkenes is this one. Next. Second one is, next, what will come next compound? All of you.
Propane.
Propane. So C3H6. Okay. So draw the structure. So as we all know that the name is called as propane. You must draw the structure. So propane. So what is the structural formula? Everybody? What will come first? C single bond C. Remember, all of you must draw the skeletal structure first. What do you mean by skeletal structure? Only with the carbons. So C single bond C and C double bond C. That is what how the structure will come. 3 carbons. Now first carbon only 1 bond over. So then how many hydrogens will come? All of you.
3 hydrogen.
3 hydrogens will come. Second carbon already 3 bonds over. Then how many hydrogens will come? Sai 1 hydrogen. And last carbon 2 bonds over. How many hydrogens remaining? 2 hydrogens. This is what it is. Now, what is the condensed formula, everybody? CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. That is what you have to remember it. So now, IUPAC name. The IUPAC name of this one is propene. And if we'll take the common name, what will come, guys? Common name, all of you. What will come?
Propylene.
Propylene. Okay, propylene. ENE, last words only you should check it. So that is what will happen. Next, butane. What is the formula of butane? C4, all of you.
H8.
C4, H8. So draw the structure, everybody, fastly. Butane. When I'm drawing, you also should draw along with me. So what will come first? Skeletal structure, tell me. C single bond, C single bond, double bond C. Is it as, everybody? First, always remember, last 2 carbons only must give. Tell me how many hydrogens will come? First carbon, 3 hydrogens. Second carbon, 2 hydrogens. Third carbon, only 1 hydrogen. And last carbon, 2 hydrogen. All of you should involve and you have to speak. So now this is what? What is the condensed formula? Condensed formula. CH3 single bond CH2 CH double bond CH2. That is what you have to remember it. So now you can say IUPAC name. What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is what, guys? Butene. And common name. Common name, what will come?
Butylene.
Butylene. Very good. Do it fast. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Next. One more example we'll take. All of you. So what is the next one will come? Everybody? C5H10. C5H10. What is the name of this one, all of you? Pentene. Is it S? Everyone? Pentene is the structure. So first skeletal structure, tell me all of you, skeletal structure, what will come? C single bond, C single bond, C double bond C. Okay, Raja Gagan, understanding? So now draw the hydrogens. So first hydrogen, first carbon, how many hydrogens will come?
3 hydrogen.
3 hydrogen. Second carbon, 2 hydrogens. Third carbon also 2 hydrogens. Fourth carbon, up or down, only how many hydrogens? 1 hydrogen.
1 hydrogen.
And the last carbon again,
2 hydrogen.
remember, everywhere carbon should satisfy always how many bonds?
4 bonds.
4 bonds. That is what you have to remember it. So now this is what it is. Now condensed formula, everybody. Condensed formula I want.
CH3.
Condensed formula is CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 CH double bond CH2. Okay, so please make it fast, everybody. Clear, everybody?
Sir.
Make it. So what is the IUPAC name?
Pentene.
Pentene. And the common name
pentylene,
Pentylene.
Pentylene. Please write. Clear, ma? So this is what how we will write unsaturated hydrocarbons containing double bond. So you can write like this: carbon 5, carbon N is equals to 6, 7, 8, like that you can. So it's not that much important. Only alkanes we will study in class 10th. So that is why we are not stressing on this much. And we are going to next. Naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing triple bond. That is what will come. Nomenclature of what will come, guys? Nomenclature of alkynes means how many triple bonds? At least how many triple bonds?
3.
At least one triple bond. That is what nomenclature of alkynes. So alkynes also starts from where, guys? Anybody can tell? Alkynes also starts from
Ethane.
Methane,
methane. Okay, because here also N is equals to 2 only. So 1 it is not possible. So all of you write first one, naming of C2H2. So what will come first? C triple bond C. So each carbon is having 3 bonds. Then how many hydrogens will come? 1 hydrogen, and here also 1 hydrogen. So if you want to write condensed formula, you'll get HC triple bond CH. That's all. Okay. Now it will take IUPAC name. So what is the IUPAC name? Everybody? IUPAC name is very, very important. Ethyne is the IUPAC name. Okay. And common name is called as. This is what very important. Now I will show you. Common name is acetylene. Okay. So many times they will ask you acetylene instead of ethyne. So we'll be getting confusing. So don't get confused with that and learn the common names. Exams, so many places, they'll give you only common names only to make us confused. So what is the first one? Acetylene. All of you should remember that. So next, second carbon. So what is the second carbon? Second one.
C3.
C3,
H4.
Yes. So the next one is C3. So C3 means how many carbons will come? Next acetyl alkyne. So tell me, alkyne. Second one.
3 carbon,
3
C3H4.
carbon. So C3H4 will come. So tell me how the bonds will come. First, skeletal structure. Tell me. C single bond, triple bond C. So that is what it will happen. So first carbon only one bond is there. So how many hydrogens will come? 3
3 hydrogen.
hydrogens will come. Second carbon, check it. Already 4 bonds is over. Is there any hydrogens will come, guys?
No, sir.
No. So now third is already 3 bonds is there. How many hydrogens will come?
1
One
hydrogen.
hydrogen will come. So what is the condensed formula? All of you should try to answer. Condensed formula. CH3 single bond C, triple bond CH. Okay, that is what it is. So IUPAC name is propine. propine, and common name, the most important common name which we used to arise so many places, that is what? Methyl acetylene. Okay, so please write. Methyl acetylene is the common name. Okay, next. Next one, right? Shall we write?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next C4. C4. What will come, guys? All of you. C3 over now. C4 H. C4 H.
6.
6 will come. Okay. So now onwards structure will little varies. So here a triple bond will come for second and third carbon. So skeletal structure, remember, C single bond C, triple bond C, single bond C. So this is what the structure of standard structures. That is what you have to remember. So can you tell me number of hydrogens first carbon? 3
3
hydrogen.
hydrogen.
Second carbon, already 4 bonds are there. Third carbon also already 4 bonds are there. And again, last carbon, how many hydrogens will come?
2 hydrogen.
3
3
hydrogens will
hydrogen.
come. So the condensed structure is, Mr. Rudreshwar, are you writing? CH3 single bond C, triple bond C, single bond CH3. So this is what we used to call as condensed formula. Condensed formula is very, very important. So all of you should be able to learn that. So this is what it is. So IUPAC name. IUPAC name is, what is the IUPAC name? All of you.
Butane.
Yes, please. Butane,
Time.
but it is not the IUPAC name. So here triple bond is for what carbon? Check it. You can come from left to right. What carbon it is triple bond?
2 butane.
2 butane.
2. So that is what 2 butane is the name of this one. So please all of you write it. That is why I said it is different. Clear? All of you? Now the common name is dimethyl acetylene. Please write it. Dimethyl acetylene is the common name. Next one, last compound will write. So that is what it is called as C5. What will come, guys? H8. If you want C6 also you can write, because whatever you learn, guys, still learn C equals to how much? C equals to, please, C equals to 6 at least you have to learn. Okay. Next one, C5H8. So again, same thing. Condensed formula, I will draw the skeletal structure. You must draw everything. So last 2 carbons only will come triple bond. Now draw fastly condensed formula, everybody. Structural formula. First carbon is 3 hydrogens, second carbon 2 hydrogens, third carbon also 2 hydrogens, fourth carbon already over. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 4 bonds over, and last carbon 3 is over. 1 hydrogen will come. That's all. So can you tell me the condensed formula? CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, C triple bond, CH. That's all. Understand, everyone? So that is what it is. So IUPAC name is pentine. Okay, so that is what, if the bond is coming for last 2 carbons, nothing will come. So you have to write normally only. So if it is coming in the middle, that is a standard form. That is why we are writing. Is it okay, everybody? Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
That is, please write it. You want, you can write 1 pentane also. 1 pentane is also it's okay. His name, common name is propyl acetylene. Okay, propyl acetylene is a common name. So till at least C5 you can learn. So C6 if you will draw, the same thing you can draw. C6 all of you can draw. So C6 means how many hydrogens will come, guys? C6
hydrogen.
H10 will come. So what is the skeletal structure, everybody? C single bond, C single bond, C single bond, C triple bond, C. So everybody make it fast. Tell me what is the things will come. All of you fastly. So first one, how many hydrogens?
3
Three
hydrogen.
hydrogens. Second one,
3,
2
2
hydrogens.
2
hydrogen.
hydrogen.
Third one, 2
2
hydrogens.
hydrogen.
The fourth one also, 2
2
hydrogens.
hydrogen.
It is actually NCERT book question. You'll be having NCERT this one in any board. This one is there any
No,
board?
sir.
No.
1,
Middle you cannot draw, Durga. That is what I am saying. Standard form only I am drawing always. Understand, Durga? So triple bond over and here one will come. So that's all. So what is the condenser formula? CH3,
Triple
CH2, CH2, single bond, CH2, single bond, C triple bond, CH. Continue, please. Don't write like me. Okay, continue. IUPAC name. IUPAC name of this one is called as 1-hexyl. What is the name of this one? Hexyl, or we can say 1-hexyl, because the lowest possible number for this triple bond is 1. That is why it is 1-hexyl. And the common name of this one is N-butyl acetylene. So here if you notice it, in this always the common name, one thing is common. What is that? Anybody?
acetylene.
Acetylene. So that is what. Understand, Maitreyan? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is what. So till here any doubt, please kindly let me know. All of you understand? Ishali? Elmukil?
Sir.
Okay. So now, any doubt, please ask me. Write it till here. Saradara, have you drawn? Who is this Sasi? Please rename that. I don't know who is that. Otherwise, leave from the meeting. Alana, understand, Alana? Vanya? Everybody, any doubt till here, please kindly ask me. Are you clear, everybody? C4H6, C5, how to name it is very, very important. So now, all the three things we discussed. The next concept we are going to study is isomerism. Please write. I'll teach directly formulas and all. Directly I'll teach C is equals to 10. So till there you must learn. But C is equals to 7. You all should know the structures also. So isomers. Exam they can ask anything. So isomerism. Please keep writing isomerism. Right? This is not the new concept. Already we studied. Versatile nature of carbon is, what is the versatile nature? It's a common name, Kevin. N means normal. N means normal. Is it okay, Kevin? Okay. So isomerism. So this is the fourth property, versatile nature of carbon. What is meaning by isomerism? Anybody? Same chemical formula, but different structures and properties. That is what isomerism means. Right. The organic compounds The organic compounds having same chemical formula but what guys? But different structures and properties. Is called as isomerism. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please. But all the isomerisms is represented with the same common formula or different common formula? Yes, please.
Same carbon.
Same common formula. That is what it is. So, right. The organic compounds having, this is isomerism. The organic compounds having, having the same molecular mass, molecular formula, same molecular formula, but different structures. Different structures are known as isomers. Okay, so now here remember isomerism. Till here, any doubt? Please understand. Have you understood or not isomers? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, one point you all should remember that if I'll take for example, if you want to draw the isomerism is only possible with the hydrocarbons having 4 or more carbon atoms. So that is the main thing you have to remember, all of you. So if I have taken n is equals to 1, n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3. So for them, the isomers is also 1, not 0, because they're having only one isomer. That itself is the formula. For example, if I have taken first one, what is the formula? CH4. Second one, C2H6. Third one, C3H8. So for these three, not possible to draw. All of you should remember, please. Not possible to draw. Understanding? Isomers. So only how many isomers for them? What is the number of isomers for these compounds? Only one itself.
One.
Understand, guys? Only one arrangement is possible. Only one arrangement is possible. So that is why for them, what is the number of isomers, guys? Yes, please.
One.
They have only one isomer. It itself is isomer. Remember that. Next, if you want to draw isomers, the number of carbons, how many? Everybody? Yes, please.
4 or more.
4. So please write the statement. Isomerism is possible only with hydrocarbons. Only with the hydrocarbons having 4 or more carbon atoms. 4 or more carbon atoms. So means, so if we'll take for example, butane. Butane, what is the formula? Butane, everybody? C4H10. Do you understand, all of you? But the lucky thing is, class 10th, you're having only, guys, remember, alkanes only, isomers of alkanes. So you don't need to worry about alkenes and alkynes. Okay, so if we'll take this one, butane. So what is the common name of butane? Everybody? IUPAC name is butane. What is the common name? Yes, please. All of you? Butane, what is the common name? I'm asking.
N-butane.
Common name is N-butane. So what is the major source of butane? Anybody? Our LPG cylinders, liquefied petroleum gas, major percentage, major composition of the gas is butane only. So along with that small amounts, propane and ethane is present. So major percentage of our LPG cylinder is butane only. So now, if we take the butane, so the number of possible isomers, including this one, so itself is the one. What is the second one? Second isomer, I already taught you that. It is called as isobutane, and the third one is called as neobutane. Do you remember that I taught you or not? Yes, please. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what you have to remember. So isobutane, what is the name of this one? Isobutane, all of you? Isobutane. N-butane means straight chain. That is what N-butane means, straight chain. Isobutane, what is the name of that one? Anybody?
2-methyl butane.
Yes. 2-methyl
Methyl
butane or propane. Will parental chain by the time will become what? 3. 2-methyl propane. Understanding? Next one. 2,2 dimethyl. What is that? All of you. 2,2 dimethyl. Nobody? Yes, please.
Propane.
Propane. Is it yes? Butane won't come, amma. It's already gone. What will come? Anybody? 2-methyl. 2,2 methyl. What will come? All of you. Nobody knows? One is
Propane.
propane only. Correct or not? So that is what. One is 2-methyl. Second one is 2-methyl. No, we are doing wrong. This is not the 2-methyl.
Sir, this is for pentane only. We
Yes, yes, yes,
say
yes.
isopentane and neopentane, sir.
Yeah, very good. This is not. Sorry. Butane, the common name, and we will draw the structures also now. So one is N-butane. So the possible number of isomers for butane is only 2. So 2 isomers is possible. So next one, so butane is, if we take 2, next isomers, pentane is 3. Next one, hexane is 5. So for that also I will teach you the formula till C is equals to 7. Sorry for that number. I thought it is pentane. So now all of you remember, now butane, how many isomers will come? Sir, how to find? So till C is equals to 7, I will teach you. But C is equals to 10, you have to remember. If C is equals to 1, if C is equals to 2, if C is equals to 3, if C is equals to 4,